Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 4x5 reversal film, diamond rings, and I have this subject today. And also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, this pencil drawing type image pretty nice compared to this base original image. Kinda busy look, like background colors, even though, well, out of focus, but the reflection of the rings. This is a pretty busy look, huh? Well, I want to make something interesting, something impressive. Make it simple and nice. Well, illustration type image, maybe. Let's get started. Alright. Well, let me see. Change blend mode on this pencil drawing type image. Let's see, as always, like color burn, linear burn. Well, diamonds, no colors in it, nice stones. But I want something interesting image from this. Key point is background colors, huh? So many different colors. This kind of image though, I think important to have some shadow, so it all shows more, what can I say, nice image. Well, this is luminosity, pretty nice. Reflection of the rings shows shadow colors. That's pretty nice. Well, okay. Let me fix this image. Luminosity effect on pencil drawing type image makes this nice shadow colors. Yeah, so select multiple. 1, 2. Then duplicate layers. Then merge selected. Now I got this image fixed as a one layer. Now just want to see, I'm gonna move this original image over this luminosity effect layer. Then let's see, change blend mode of this original image to color burn. It's so much dark. Not only colors, black lines go so dark in this case. Well, this is kind of interesting. Look at this. This is a regular original image, but just opacity down to 30%. Well, the colors are sort of a half-tone image. Well, this is a luminosity effect layer we see underneath of this original image. Kind of interesting, huh? Because we see some real shadow color of the original image. Well, just leave this one original image, turn it off. Then let me duplicate this luminosity effect layer. Then I want to see if I double this, like multiply. Yeah, goes dark lines goes double too. So how about color burn? Yeah, pencil drawing type image is too dark. Yeah, compared to this image, luminosity effect layer, just add 60%. this much darkness, darken. Color goes a little bit dark. Just turn it off, then turn it on this 30% opacity original image over luminosity effect layer. I guess this is more subtle, nice colors, not much dark lines. Soften that reflection of the rings. Yeah, of course, because opacity down to 40% of the original image. That's kind of nice. Well, that's really interesting. I may add some watercolor background and add shadow. Yeah, I can do that. Maybe it'll show up more diamonds. Well, let's try that. One thing. I think that's interesting. Okay, this is pencil drawing. Oh no. Wait a minute. This is okay. I just duplicate this luminosity effect layer. So I'm not going to use this luminosity effect layer now. Okay, just leave it, turn it off. Then, okay, I'm going to add this is pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm going to move this empty layer over luminosity effect layer. Then add watercolor to add some shadow image. Okay, let's do that. Choose the watercolor brush to, let's see, watercolor round detail. That's fine. Then shadow image. Shadow image color is, to me, it's nice pastel blue. Then I'm gonna add orange to blend in. Let's see. Okay, then dry layer, and I'm going to choose some orange. I want this kind of busy look. Well, I want to do it again. I'm going to clear this. Then orange first. Okay, then change to blue. Dry layer first. Yeah. Then I want to double this, a little bit darken this shadow. So I'm going to duplicate. Now it goes to a little bit darker. This is just double. Okay, I want to clear this. This is color, and I'm going to clear. Then I'm going to add some different color. We're going to see the base color. Well, this is two shadow colors. different colors. Okay, this is shadow 2, shadow 1. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty quick. But I want to show these diamonds to be a little bit more shiny image. So in this case, this is original image. Now I'm going to duplicate this original image. Then let's see, if I change blend mode to like divide or touch lighten up, lighter color on diamonds, stones. Okay, lighter color on this original image. Now I want to create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal with, well, dry media to rough pencil. This one is pretty harsh. Okay. Just touch, not much effect. Yeah, just lighter color. Well, other than that, that's so interesting. It's kind of too much shadow colors. We need some real black to show the contrast. Okay, how about this pencil drawing type image? We'll bring up over this original image, then change blend mode to color burn. Yeah, touch darken the lines. Okay, I'm gonna delete this luminosity effect layer. I duplicated, but I don't need this. Okay, now I move this pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to color burn to get some dark lines to make it a little bit contrast on this image. Then this one is diamonds, lighten up just a touch. Yeah, I guess that's about it. And I'm gonna, well, add layer, white layer mask, fill layer with white, fill layer, pixel layer, then create empty mask. Now choose, oh, we have this, what was it, Japanese action line scatter. This is pretty interesting. Yeah, how's this? Then maybe add more base. How about one more? Add one more layer, then change blend mode to darken, then choose same brush. Yeah, real shadow sketching type image. Well, I guess that's it. That's it for today, and this image is this luminosity effect layer. Add shadow, this and this, two shadows. Then add color burn on pencil drawing type image, color burn effect. Just touch, darken lines. Then this one is original image, just opacity 40%. This shows pretty much base image, base colors. Then the other one, original image, adjust lighter color on stones, lighten up some. Then I made a mask of the white layer, this much, just hide the base image background. Then I add some real soft shadow color of the greens and stuff. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Maybe using that, what was it, Japanese action lines scatter, which is a real interesting brush texture to make it some kind of sketching type texture. Huh? Well, thank you again. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Nice shadow color.